Gemini Credit Card Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how the Gemini credit card combines crypto rewards with traditional credit features in 2025. But is it the right fit for you? Gemini offers rewards in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies every time you make purchases. The surprising truth is the flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when your everyday spending automatically invests in crypto, helping beginners grow digital assets effortlessly. Another advantage is security. Most people get this wrong by assuming crypto rewards are risky. Gemini uses strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring, keeping both your card and crypto safe. However, there are cons. Crypto value can fluctuate, affecting the worth of your rewards. Also, interest rates are comparable to other rewards cards, so carrying a balance can reduce benefits. In conclusion, the Gemini credit card is perfect for those looking to earn crypto passively while spending. If you manage balances responsibly and embrace digital currency, it offers a unique reward system in 2025. For conservative spenders or those unfamiliar with crypto, understanding volatility is crucial before applying.